Here you go.
Oh my gosh. Wow. You make me look good.
Hey, that's you, so I know you said no. I just felt like you'd appreciate it anyway.
I love it. And I hate usually pictures of myself, but I really like what you did. Wow.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much.
No problem. And I hope this makes you feel special in some way.
It does.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. You got the freaking curve.
I appreciate that.
Dude.
Yeah. Were you looking for something to trade for that shirt?
I think I found the trade, but I got more inside. Why, do you have something?
This to give you?
Yeah.
Because you inspire others as well. Okay, get a hug.
At Michael Artismo. Boom. Wow, I love that. You see us on our live streams, you're going to see this.